Well, listen, I mean, listen. Look at the tracer fire in the air. The guns are going off. You can see the streams of red lights. You can see behind me the tracer fire going up in the night sky. All day we had heard the American warplanes circling above the city, flying low as we thought the last American flights were taking off, providing extra cover in these last decisive hours. But it's now the 31st of August in Afghanistan, the day that President Joe Biden said the American military mission, the 20-year engagement by US-led NATO forces, would formally end. And this is what you are hearing now, the eruption of celebratory gunfire by Taliban supporters in the city of Kabul.